Okay guys, here we go. We're going to divide whole numbers with remainders. So I want you to grab your paper and you're going to work this example out right along with me. Remember, you can pause the video at any time if you need to, and you can also replay it as many times as you like. So the first problem we're going to do is 534 divided by 15. All right, so we need to figure out 15 can't go into 5, so how many times can it go into 53? Okay, to figure that out, I'm going to go off to the side here and do some multiplying. So I'm going to start out, I'm going to try 15 times 4. Okay, that would be 20, carry my 2, 4 times 1 plus 2, that puts me at 60. So that's too much. I'm going to try 15 times 3. That would be 15, carry the 1, 3, 45. Okay, so I know that 15 can go into 53 3 times. You need to write that 3 directly above the other 3. Then we multiply. 3 times 15 is 45. Go ahead and subtract. We get 8. You're going to bring down the 4. Now we need to see how many times 15 could go into 84. I know already that it has to be more than 4 times, so I'm going to go ahead and try 5 times. Okay, that would be 25, 75. Okay, so 15 can go into 84 5 times. 5 times 15 is 75. Again, we need to subtract. 14 minus 5 is 9. Okay, now here you have your remainder. Instead of writing that as remainder 9, we want to continue dividing and write the remaining part as a decimal. So to do that, we go up into our dividend and we're going to put a decimal point, okay, in our dividend, and then we're going to add a 0. So I did not change the value of the dividend, I just wrote in the decimal point and added a 0 behind it. Now we can bring that 0 down and continue dividing. So we have to figure out how many times 15 can go into 90. Okay, I'm going to try 15 times 6. And hey, that works out exactly. Okay, I'm going to extend my division sign up here. So 15 goes into 90 6 times. 6 times 15 is exactly 90. Subtract, and we don't have anything left. So now we're finished. Make sure that whenever you add that decimal point, you bring it straight up into your quotient as well. So our final answer, the final quotient here, is 35 and 6/10. Okay, so if you get a remainder whenever you're dividing, you want to add in that decimal point in your dividend and put a 0 after it so you can bring it down. And you could add as many zeros as you need to in order to continue dividing. Okay, we only had to add 1 for this problem, but in other problems you might have to add more than 1. All right guys, go try the next 3 problems on your paper. Good luck.